set up here. Today at my baby kitchen. So we're going to do 1 cup of light brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. I don't have them out and ready because my kitchen is tiny. I don't have space. Half a cup. That's about 1/2 cup. In it goes. I like to close everything back up again because I lack space. I don't have room to keep it here. At my 1 cup measuring, so 1/2 cup light brown. In it goes. Just gotta set things wherever, cause yeah, baby kitchen. There we go. And to that, I'm gonna add 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. I couldn't get it open, so 3/4 of a cup. I used to bake with butter, but I found that butter just has been, like I said in recent videos. Oh, my oven's ready. In recent videos, butter has been making my baked goods really dry, and that's the only when you're adding oil, it's a liquid. So let's mix this up. I'm gonna beat this on the medium. Oh, maybe not. I'm losing my brown sugar because the oil is not like butter. It will not be. Let's see, where are we? It will not be creamy. So I don't know, you can see that. There we go. So yeah, so it will not be creamy. It is kind of chunky. So whoop. Crack in 2 eggs. It says lightly beaten, but you don't have to go through all that. Just can do it right in the bowl. All that extra work. Alright, turn our mix around. Let's blend it. Yeah, I do move it around a lot. Let's whip it up. Whip it till it's fluffy. To add 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda. The same amount for baking powder. I have a 1/2 teaspoon, that's why we're doing 1 1/2. 2 cups of flour, which it says not to pack the flour in or level it off. It's supposed to be light container. Well, I have 1, 2. I know. And let's blend this up. Start on low because we know flour is just messy. Or I am messy with flour. Oh, you see that? Oh, we got it gum up here. Oh, I lost it. Oh my gosh. Well, that's because we got them in there backwards. I tell you. I haven't used this mixer in so long. This is what being... There we go. Oh my gosh, let's try this again. Anyway, it was like cloudy. It was like nighttime all day long yesterday. It was dark. What am I missing? It's really thick, and I have one more thing to put in here yet. So, a little bit of salt. Maybe I'll throw in some yogurt. Kind of helps make things a little bit more moist too, and it kind of adds a little bit of oh, I'm adding some cinnamon because you know, and salt. The salt. Welcome to my... Oh yeah, we forgot our vanilla. There it is. Which way? The other day we used some vanilla that I was brewing in the closet. But today I went to the Walmart and got some more because I really like this, and it gives a really good flavor. Some milk. I couldn't find the yogurt in there. I'm not very organized in the kitchen. But I do want to make sure that this is mixing up the correct way. You can always add milk or yogurt to like a bread. Just to thin the batter out a little bit. Because I was making like cookie trays up at Christmas time. So it just didn't have enough power, and I can just whip up some cookie dough or whatever and you know, get it done fast. So now I'm adding in some zucchini, which you know, I grated earlier. Zucchini in itself, when it bakes, will add moisture to your batter as well. I'm going to be doing, well, these were in the cupboard. I'm going to be doing mini loaves. I've got 2 of them here. I'm going to spray them. I'm just eyeballing it. I'm not measuring how much is going in. Roughly about a half a pan. Nope, no, don't need them yet. We're gonna do a little bit of this in there. So I'm doing 2 variations. I'm doing a plain zucchini. And yeah, see, no measuring. It's however chocolatey you want it to be. Let's mix it up. Again, chocolate is powdery, and you know. You probably have it all over my Snoopy shirt that I wore today. Look at that. I've kind of been one of those people who, if you have something to use up, then you do. You know, I have a zucchini that was purchased last week at the farmer's market that my hubby finally put in the fridge because I wasn't doing anything with them. And chocolate chips. That's probably good. Just a little bit. We're only doing 2 little ones here. So, you know, I'm a seasonal baker. I like to do, you know, we're going to spray these 2 pans. I don't know what size these pans are. They're just little. See? They're just a little size. See? I would say 3 of these would equal a regular size bread pan. What I've been doing, you know, in other videos, I've kind of said that I've had like a weight loss surgery. What I've been doing, because I like to bake and I like to be creative, is I give it away. Or, you know, you can just freeze it. There we go. Now, I'm going to do some cleanup. I'm going to throw these in the oven. Not literally. And I will be back with you when they are done. First, we're going to do this because, you know, that way, you know, chocolate. So, we're going to put them in the oven, and I'll see you in a little bit. More like 35 minutes.